Welcome back to Mike's Fitness and Food, everybody. If you're looking for a delicious dish that has roughly 680 calories per serve, as well as about 47 grams of protein in it, that you can create a big meal out of, that you can put away for meal prep or have as a second dinner or a third dinner or whatever you want to do, keep watching the video. I've made this before as a short video, but now I've made this into a proper one so you guys can follow along much easier. But it is very healthy. It basically has pasta, vegetables, a spicy sauce, which is very good for burning everything out, beef. It's awesome. Make sure you check it out.